Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to make a Care Bear smoothie bowl, a nice green one for St. Patrick's Day coming up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit more, about a cup of silk unsweetened almond milk. We're going to put in my favorite, Juice Plus Complete. It is delicious. Dump that out. Then we're going to put about a cup of spinach. Just dump that in. Whoops. And I just made a mess. Make sure to keep a towel nearby. Then about half a cup of organic mangoes. Kind of shake it in there. And then a third of a cup of cauliflower, organic. Okay. Then we're going to blend it. I like to shake it up. Okay. Look at this awesome thing. So what you do is you just, awesome, super fast. Okay, so we're gonna try it. I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of spirulina now to make it a little bit darker. Oh, if anyone's wondering about my lip color, my friend Lauren Giles, hi Lauren, and Morgan Cullen, hello. They got me into this awesome like jamberry color. I think it's koi with the lip gloss. It's really awesome. It stays on. I've been wearing it for a long time now. And then right before I also did. So last but not least, tie it in tight. So now we are going to pour this, the darker green one first. Oh, and look how good my lashes are doing. Thanks, Tori, for the lash boost. They're awesome. Off. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Now we are going to do the reflection when I'm doing this. I can't really see someone. All right, just this down a little. So I love using these knives, these global knives. They're awesome because they cut really well. So you're just gonna like cut the shape of an apple and just make the head. I pre-cut out this one, save some time. And then you're just gonna like cut around for the arms and legs. Now, I like to lay everything out before putting it into the bowl, just in case. And just like cut a circle for the top part and kind of measure it. This is a little too big. Just make sure to watch your hands while doing this. Okay, and then measure it out. I think it's pretty good. Okay. So, to make the bear green, this is going to be an experiment because I've never done it this way, so I'm gonna try. All right. So you're gonna sprinkle some matcha powder. I'm gonna use like a spoon. I'm gonna spread it out. And kind of get it on everything that you need to. Don't get it on the parts that are supposed to be white, obviously. And then you just spread it. That's it. Put that on his face. Lift this up. Ta-da! And I'm just going to take these off because I don't need them right now. And then these things, while cutting, it really helps. They're called cut gloves. So you don't cut your finger. For the eyes, I like taking these little almond things. So just hold it. Turn around. Okay. Like that. And then for the mouth, I'm going to take a little piece of the apple skin. So we're going to use some coconut. Just kind of sprinkle it in the middle so we can differentiate between the bear and the bowl. Okay. Take a little blueberry, the little flakes off. Okay. like 3D. All right, so he looks like he's having a good time. And then I have to make his little hand. There's one. You just curve them. I really love these knives. Like, these knives are awesome. They're so good. Thank you, Global. They are amazing. Okay, so we put the face on like that. Okay, just making sure it's still working. And then we take the middle section. So he's going to be kind of